Have you ever wondered why, no matter how fast we imagine, nothing can outrun a beam of light? Why does the universe keep this secret speed locked in its heart, as if light alone holds the key to all motion? Tonight, we'll drift softly into this mystery, exploring why the speed of light is the universe's ultimate limit. Welcome to the Thoughtful Night, where we gently unravel the wonders of science to calm your mind and feed your curiosity as you fall asleep. Before we begin our journey, take a moment to breathe deeply and settle in. If you like quiet adventures through the cosmos, please subscribe and share where you're watching from in the comments. Let's create a community of dreamers united by wonder. Imagine the night sky above you, a vast ocean of stars, their light traveling across unimaginable distances to reach your eyes. That light, moving at a speed so constant and profound, sets the rhythm of everything in the cosmos. But what makes this speed so special? Why can nothing break past it? Tonight, we will explore the ancient dance of light, the fabric of space and time, and the elegant laws that make our universe tick. From the gentle flicker of a candle to the blazing stars billions of light years away, light connects us all, whispering stories of time, space, and the very limits of reality. So, breathe in slowly, feel your body soften, and let your mind drift with the gentle pulse of light's journey. Together, we'll discover why the speed of light is not just a number, but a cosmic lullaby, guiding everything that ever was, is, and will be. Tonight, as your body begins to sink into peaceful rest, let your mind wander back through time, to the dawn of humanity itself. Imagine a world untouched by cities or machines, where the only light came from the sun, the moon, and the stars glittering in the vast night sky. Long before electricity, before phones and screens, light was life's sacred companion, a symbol of safety, mystery, and hope. Picture the earliest humans huddled together in the darkness, the cold night pressing close, their breaths mingling with the faint crackling of fire. Fire was the first true light they tamed, a miracle born of friction and spark. That small flame was more than just warmth. It was a beacon, a guardian, a hearth around which stories and dreams unfolded. The flickering glow painted shadows on cave walls, casting shapes that stirred both imagination and awe. Firelight was a dance, sometimes wild and fierce, other times gentle and soothing. It chased away the chilling darkness, protecting fragile bodies from unseen dangers lurking beyond. Around these glowing embers, life was shared. Bonds were forged, and the human spirit found its first rhythm in the pulse of light. Look up now to the sky above that ancient campfire. There, countless stars shimmered, scattered like diamonds across a deep velvet curtain. Those stars, fixed yet flickering, whispered secrets in a language older than time. For early humans, they were not just points of light but stories, guiding lights marking seasons, helping navigate vast landscapes, and kindling the imagination. They were eternal witnesses to every breath and every heartbeat below. The cycle of dawn and dusk, those fleeting moments when night softens into day and day fades back into night, became the first measure of time. Light defined existence itself. It was the pulse of life, setting the rhythm of waking and sleeping, planting seeds and harvesting crops, joy and sorrow. Light was a constant companion, yet its nature remained a profound mystery. For thousands of years, humans pondered the enigma of light. What was it? How did it travel? Did it move instantly, or did it take time to journey from the stars to their eyes? These questions drifted like silent whispers, waiting patiently for the birth of science. Fast forward to the 1600s, where the dawn of modern science began to flicker. Galileo Galilei, one of the first great scientific minds, sought to catch light in the act of moving. In a daring experiment, he and an assistant stood on distant hilltops, each holding covered lanterns. The idea was simple but profound. Uncover a lantern and watch for the flash of light to travel the distance. If light took time to cross the space, a delay would be visible. Galileo's experiment was a bold attempt, but light speed was far too fast for the crude instruments of his time. The lantern's flash seemed instant, leaving the question unresolved. Yet this failure was not defeat, but a gentle nudge, an invitation to look closer and think deeper. It wasn't until 1676 that a Danish astronomer named Ole Romer gave humanity its first true glimpse into light's pace. While observing the moons of Jupiter, Romer noticed something curious. Their eclipses didn't always happen exactly when expected. Sometimes the moons appeared late, sometimes early, depending on Earth's position in its orbit around the Sun. Romer realized the cause was the time light took to travel the vast distance between Jupiter and Earth. When Earth was closer, light arrived sooner. When farther, it took longer. By measuring these differences, Romer made the first estimate of light speed. An astonishing revelation that light is not instantaneous but has a finite pace. Imagine the wonder that must have stirred the minds of those early astronomers, quietly watching distant moons dance around a planet unseen to the naked eye. They discovered that the universe is not a static tableau, but a dynamic stage where light carries information across vast expanses and time itself. Pause now and breathe deeply. Feel yourself connected to those ancient observers, peering through simple telescopes, uncovering the secrets hidden in starlight. Each photon, a tiny particle of light, is a traveler, journeying across the cosmos at a speed so great it seems beyond comprehension, yet measurable and real. The vastness of the universe is measured by this journey of light. When we gaze at a star, we are looking back in time. That star's light, perhaps millions of years old, reaches us now, telling its ancient story. The night sky is a cosmic museum, its exhibits arranged not by space alone, but by the time it takes for light to cross the abyss. Think of light's speed as a silent rhythm, setting the tempo of existence. It defines how fast information, energy, and influence can travel. Nothing in the universe can move faster than light, a profound and beautiful rule that shapes reality itself. Light is both a symbol and a messenger. It symbolizes knowledge, clarity, and life, and yet it is also the means by which the universe communicates. The light that dances across our eyes carries stories from distant worlds, the birth and death of stars, the fabric of space-time itself. Tonight, as you lie still, allow your mind to drift alongside this ancient dance of light. Imagine those first fires, the quiet night sky, the slow orbit of moons around distant planets, and the gentle pulse of light crossing the cosmic sea. Let your thoughts settle on the vastness, on the patience of light as it travels, reminding us that the universe is vast, mysterious, and bound by rhythms older than we can fully grasp. The speed of light is more than a scientific fact. It is the heartbeat of the cosmos, the pulse that binds together time and space, the whisper of infinity reaching across the night. As your breath slows and your body relaxes, imagine this ancient dance continuing, light weaving through the darkness, guiding, revealing, connecting. In the quiet, find comfort in this cosmic lullaby. The journey of light is endless, just like the stories it carries, and tonight, you are a part of that timeless dance. Tonight, as you sink deeper into calm, Let your mind drift to a place beyond ordinary sight, the invisible stage where all of existence unfolds. Imagine space and time not as separate things, but as a single, flowing fabric woven together like threads in a vast cosmic tapestry. This is space-time, the gentle ocean through which everything moves, including the light that guides us. Picture this space-time as a boundless, softly undulating sea. It stretches endlessly in all directions, bending and folding with the weight of planets, stars, and galaxies. Yet, it is smooth and continuous, like a quiet ocean that holds the rhythms of the universe. You are floating on this ocean now, weightless and serene, cradled in the gentle waves of space-time. Light, the traveler we met last night, moves through this ocean in a unique and remarkable way. No matter where it begins or how the ocean shifts beneath it, light always moves at the same speed. Imagine a delicate boat sailing effortlessly on this cosmic sea, never speeding up, never slowing down, but gliding steadily, faithfully, and endlessly. This speed, the speed of light, is a universal constant, a cosmic speed limit woven into the very fabric of spacetime. It is about 299,792 kilometers per second, an almost unimaginable pace, yet one that defines the rhythm of everything. But why does light's speed never change? Why does it never slow down or race ahead? To understand this, imagine the ocean of spacetime gently flowing, bending around heavy objects like the Earth or the Sun. These bends and curves shape the paths of everything that moves, including light. Yet, light speed remains constant, unaffected by the currents or the waves. In this ocean, moving faster than light would mean swimming against the current that is spacetime itself. But spacetime sets the rules. It is a lullaby of laws, a gentle guide that tells everything how to move, how fast to go, and how to exist. This speed limit is not just about light. It is about how all things with mass or energy travel through the universe. Nothing can outrun this cosmic speed. Nothing can break the gentle rules set by the fabric of spacetime. Imagine the ocean again, this time with many boats. Some are heavy and slow, some are light and swift, but none can sail faster than the wind that blows across the waves. That wind is the speed of light, the universal rhythm that sets the tempo for everything. Spacetime is more than just a stage. It is alive with motion and change. It bends under the presence of mass, curving the paths of planets and stars, guiding their graceful orbits. This bending is what we call gravity, the invisible hand that choreographs the cosmic dance. Light, always moving at its steady speed, follows these curves. It bends and twists, like a beam of sunlight passing through a rippling pond. This bending of light reveals the very shape of spacetime itself, helping scientists to map the unseen ocean beneath the visible universe. This cosmic dance between light and spacetime is a lullaby of order and harmony. It whispers of rules that keep everything in balance, preventing chaos and allowing the universe to unfold in elegant patterns. As you listen to this quiet music of spacetime, you may begin to feel a sense of calm, a realization that beneath the vastness, beneath the mystery, there is a gentle order. The universe's rules are not harsh or cruel. They are soft and steady, like the slow pulse of a heartbeat in the dark. The speed of light, constant and unwavering, is the heartbeat of this ocean. It sets the pace for all motion, for all change, for the unfolding story of stars and galaxies, of planets and people. In this ocean, time itself is not separate from space. They are intertwined, flowing together like two rivers merging into one. Moving through space means moving through time. This connection means that how fast you move through space changes how you experience time. Imagine floating on a quiet river. If you drift slowly, the scenery changes gently, and time feels long and slow. But if you speed up, the river rushes past faster, and your sense of time shifts. In the cosmic ocean of space-time, moving close to the speed of light stretches and compresses time itself. A strange but beautiful truth discovered by scientists long after Galileo and Romer. This link between space and time is at the heart of understanding why the speed of light is the ultimate limit. The universe's fabric won't allow anything with mass to break this boundary because doing so would unravel the very way space and time flow together. Feel yourself now gently rocking in this cosmic ocean, aware that you are part of this vast, flowing dance. The stars you see above, the ground beneath your body, and the very air you breathe are all woven into this fabric of space-time. The speed of light is more than a number. It is the rhythm, the pulse, the heartbeat of the universe's ocean. It is the gentle law that holds everything in harmony, allowing life and time to unfold in perfect, mysterious grace. Tonight, as you breathe slowly and deeply, imagine yourself as a traveler on this ocean, drifting peacefully with the current of space-time, moving in step with the silent song of light. Let this quiet understanding settle in your mind and body. The universe is vast, yes, but it is also gentle and kind, held together by the soft, constant speed of light. As your thoughts drift softly, know that you are part of this cosmic ocean, part of the grand dance of space, time, and light. A dance that has been unfolding since the dawn of everything. Let the peaceful rhythm of this cosmic lullaby carry you gently toward rest, your mind calm and your heart full of wonder. As you continue to drift in the calm sea of space-time, let us now meet one of the most extraordinary minds ever to wander this cosmic ocean, Albert Einstein. A quiet man with a gentle smile and eyes full of wonder, he looked at the speed of light and saw not just a number, but a profound secret, hidden deep within the universe's fabric. It was the year 1905, a time when many believed space and time were absolute, unchanging, like fixed coordinates on a vast, eternal map. But Einstein's mind danced differently. In the quiet moments of his daily life, walking to work, sitting in a cafe, imagining riding alongside a beam of light, he began to see a startling new truth. What if the speed of light was not just fast, but a cosmic speed limit? What if it was a fundamental law, woven into the very structure of reality, shaping how space and time themselves behaved? Einstein's 1905 paper, titled On the Electrodynamics of Moving Bodies, introduced a revolutionary idea called special relativity. It wasn't just a new theory of motion. It was a new way of understanding the universe's rhythm, a revelation that forever changed how we see time, space, and light. Imagine this. You are moving through space, perhaps in a spaceship or just walking down a street. Einstein showed that no matter how fast you go, if you measure the speed of light, you will always find the same value, that unchanging cosmic constant, about 299,792 kilometers per second. This was a strange and beautiful truth. It meant that space and time were not fixed backdrops, but flexible, intertwined dimensions that respond to motion. Time could slow down, lengths could contract, and mass could grow, all depending on how fast you moved relative to the speed of light. Picture a beam of light stretching across the night sky. Now imagine time itself stretching and bending around this beam, like a gentle ribbon fluttering in a cosmic breeze. As you approach the speed of light, time slows down, moments stretch and expand, distances shrink, and the very fabric of your experience reshapes. This is not science fiction. but a real cosmic dance revealed by Einstein's insight. The faster you move, the more time slows for you, compared to someone standing still. This effect, called time dilation, has been confirmed again and again in experiments with atomic clocks on airplanes and satellites orbiting Earth. It means that time is not absolute. It is fluid and relative, shaped by the speed of light, the universe's ultimate speed limit. And then there's length contraction. As you move faster and closer to light speed, the distances you measure along your direction of travel seem to shrink. The universe itself folds and stretches, bending to the rhythm set by light. Mass too changes. As objects move faster, their effective mass grows, making it harder and harder to accelerate them further. Trying to push an object to the speed of light is like pushing against an invisible wall that grows heavier with every step. Einstein's equations told a poetic truth. The speed of light is not just a speed. It is a cosmic boundary, a law that holds the universe's order in place. Nothing with mass can reach this speed because the energy required would be infinite. Light, on the other hand, is massless. It rides the cosmic ocean effortlessly, forever swift and unburdened, a traveler on the universal wind. Think of light as the universe's ultimate messenger, racing across the vast distances between stars and galaxies, carrying stories from the past to the present. The steady pace is the heartbeat that keeps the cosmos in sync. Einstein's revelation gave us more than new formulas. It gave us a new vision of reality, where space and time weave together in a delicate fabric, guided by the cosmic speed limit of light. This discovery was a quiet revolution. It did not shout or clash, but whispered gently, inviting us to see the universe with new eyes, to feel the elegance of the cosmic dance. As you listen now, imagine yourself moving through this dance. You are floating gently, carried by the flow of space-time, feeling the stretch of time and the shrink of distance, marveling at the unseen threads that bind all things. The speed of light is the tempo, the unchanging rhythm, and everything else, time, space, mass, moves gracefully around it. In this moment, you become part of Einstein's wonder, experiencing the strange beauty of a universe where the fastest thing is not just a number, but a fundamental truth shaping the very way we live and dream. Allow yourself to be carried by this cosmic music, feeling the gentle tug of time slowing, the soft pull of space's bending. It is a dance older than stars, a song sung by light itself. And as you breathe slowly, know that the universe is full of such mysteries, quiet, profound, and endlessly beautiful. Tonight, let the elegance of Einstein's revelation settle over you like a soft shawl, wrapping you in awe and calm. Feel the wonder of the light speed limit, the cosmic boundary that shapes all motion and time, and let it guide you deeper into restful sleep, where dreams drift gently on the currents of space-time. Let us now delve deeper into the cosmic secret that the speed of light is not just a number but an unbreakable boundary, a limit set by the universe itself, ensuring that nothing can ever outrun light's gentle, relentless pace. Imagine for a moment trying to push a great, heavy boulder. At first, it moves slowly, and with effort you can nudge it forward. But as you push harder, something strange happens. The boulder grows heavier, heavier still, as if some invisible force is resisting your every effort. No matter how much strength you summon, the boulder refuses to move faster beyond a certain point. This boulder is a metaphor for objects with mass moving through space, and the invisible force is the cosmic speed limit, the speed of light. You see, as an object with mass accelerates, its energy increases. The closer it moves toward the speed of light, the more energy it demands, but this energy doesn't translate to speed the way you might expect. Instead, it makes the object's effective mass increase, like piling on layers of weight that grow heavier and heavier. Approaching light speed becomes an impossible task, a journey that demands infinite energy. Infinite energy is something no spaceship, no particle, and no being can ever muster. This is why nothing with mass, not a bullet, not a planet, not even you, can ever reach or exceed the speed of light. The universe guards its speed limit with this elegant and profound rule. Now, turn your attention to light itself, that shimmering traveler of the cosmos. Unlike massive objects, light has no rest mass. It is free, unburdened, forever swift. Light doesn't need to push against an invisible wall. It glides effortlessly on the cosmic wind. Imagine the universe as a vast, endless ocean, and light as a sailboat that rides the waves with perfect grace and speed. Its sails catch the energy of the cosmos, but it never grows heavier, never slows down, never tires. Light is the universe's eternal traveler, a messenger carrying stories across the endless dark. Think gently now of what this cosmic speed limit means for the order of the universe. It's a protector, a guardian of cause and effect, of time's arrow flowing steadily forward. If anything could outrun light, the neat order of events, causes preceding effects, would unravel. The universe's delicate fabric would tear, and time might fold back on itself, creating paradoxes that shatter our sense of reality. But the speed of light holds the threads together, ensuring that moments unfold in a consistent, predictable dance. It's as if the universe has written a lullaby, a soothing melody of speed and time that keeps all its parts moving in harmony. And in this harmony, we find peace. The cosmic speed limit is not a harsh restriction, but a gentle rule that allows complexity, life, and wonder to arise. The thought that nothing can escape light's pace invites a quiet awe. It connects us to a grand cosmic order where every particle, every beam of light, plays its part. Feel now the cosmic boulder, heavy and unyielding, as a symbol of the universe's wisdom, protecting us from chaos by setting a boundary that cannot be crossed. At the same time, imagine the light, free, swift, and eternal, a beacon guiding us through the vastness, lighting the way in the darkness. This balance, between the unbreakable limit and the free traveler, shapes everything we see, touch, and experience. Consider how this truth stretches from the smallest particles to the grandest galaxies, linking the microcosm and the macrocosm in a seamless dance. As you breathe gently, let yourself float with this cosmic understanding, feeling the universe's steady rhythm, held firm by the speed of light. This speed limit is not just a scientific fact. It is a beautiful, poetic boundary that defines the possible and the impossible, the known and the unknown. And in the quiet embrace of this boundary, the universe unfolds in all its majesty. Tonight, as you rest, carry this knowledge softly in your heart, that the speed of light is a cosmic guardian, shaping the flow of time and the dance of space. Feel safe in this knowledge, knowing the universe moves with order, purpose, and grace. Let your mind drift deeper, riding the steady pulse of light's eternal journey, as you settle into peaceful sleep. As you settle more deeply into this gentle journey, let us now explore light's role as the universe's messenger, a cosmic courier that carries not just energy but information itself. Every flash of light, every beam traveling across the vastness, is a story unfolding, a message from one corner of the cosmos to another, connecting moments separated by unimaginable distances. It is through light that the universe communicates, weaving a tapestry of cause and effect that binds all things. Imagine the universe as a vast web, threads stretching across space and time. Each thread carries whispers, photons of light, moving at their unyielding speed, carrying news of distant stars, the glow of galaxies, and the pulse of distant worlds. Without light, this web would fall silent. The cosmic dance would lose its rhythm, and the story of the universe would become a still, frozen tableau. Now, consider what it means that light travels at a fixed speed, not too fast, not too slow, but just right. This speed sets the tempo of causality, the sequence where causes lead to effects in a tidy, dependable order. If light could move infinitely fast, events would lose their order. Causes might appear after their effects, and the smooth flow of time that we know would shatter. It is the speed of light that safeguards the universe's logical progression, ensuring that every moment has its place in the unfolding story. Picture, for a moment, a row of falling dominoes. Each one knocks over the next, setting off a chain reaction. Light speed is like the time it takes for the dominoes fall to travel from one to another, the tempo that keeps the chain moving forward, never backward. This sequence is essential not just in distant galaxies but right here in our daily lives. The signals in your brain, the flicker of neurons, depend on electrical impulses traveling at finite speeds. The sunlight warming your skin carries energy that once danced in the heart of the sun millions of years ago, arriving now to nurture life. And as we move into an age of rapid technology, fiber optic cables, satellites, GPS, light speed remains the invisible ruler. It sets limits on how fast information can travel, how quickly we can communicate across the globe, and how precisely our devices can pinpoint locations. Yet, this cosmic messenger also carries a quiet reminder of our place in the vast universe. When you look up at the stars, you see them not as they are now, but as they were when their light first began its journey toward Earth. Some stars shine with light that left their surface thousands, even millions, of years ago. In this way, light connects us to the deep past, bridging time and space in a single, unbroken thread. It's a gentle whisper across the ages, reminding us that we are part of a much larger story. Think now of light as a thread weaving the fabric of reality, a link between moments and places, binding cause and effect in an elegant, unbroken chain. Without this steady speed, the universe's coherence, the very logic of events, would unravel. Light's pace is the silent heartbeat that keeps existence flowing smoothly, a rhythm we often overlook, but that guides all that is. As you breathe softly, imagine the countless photons journeying across space, each one a traveler carrying precious information. The colors of distant nebulae, the pulses of faraway quasars, the gentle glow of a sunset. This cosmic flow of information is what allows us to understand, explore, and dream. It invites wonder and fuels curiosity, sparking the flame of discovery in the human heart. And yet, it also teaches humility. Despite all we have learned, there are limits, boundaries set by the speed of light, that remind us how vast and mysterious the universe remains. In these limits lies a quiet grace. The speed of light allows the universe to maintain order, to preserve the past, and to shape the future. It creates a framework where moments are linked, cause and effect unfold in harmony, and the story of everything can be told. Let yourself feel the comfort of this order, the safety of this cosmic chain. The universe is vast, yes, but it is also deeply connected, held together by the steady, unchanging speed of light. Tonight, as you relax into sleep, imagine this web of light stretching across the cosmos, connecting stars and galaxies, worlds and moments, all bound by a sacred tempo. Let the knowledge that light carries the universe's stories lull you into peace, a serene understanding that we are all part of this grand, unfolding narrative. And as you drift deeper into rest, carry with you the wonder of light's journey, a journey that links cause to effect, past to present, and you to the stars. As night deepens and your mind drifts gently on the currents of thought, we now enter a realm where the universe whispers in strange, mysterious tones, the realm of quantum phenomena. Here, the speed of light remains a guiding star, a boundary between the known and the mysterious, between the classical world we observe and the subtle dance of particles and waves. Quantum physics reveals a world far different from everyday experience, a realm of tiny particles, waves of possibility, and connections that defy ordinary intuition. Among its many wonders lies a phenomenon known as quantum entanglement, often called spooky action at a distance by Einstein himself. Imagine two particles, once intertwined, forever linked no matter how far apart they travel. Change one, and the other seems to respond instantly, as if they share a secret language beyond space and time. This strange connection puzzles scientists and dreamers alike. Does it mean something travels faster than light? Can information leap across the cosmos in an instant? The answer is both subtle and profound. Entanglement doesn't allow for faster-than-light communication. The mysterious connection between particles is not a message traveling through space, but rather a shared state, a delicate balance that quantum theory describes but classical language struggles to capture. No signal, no causal influence travels faster than light here. The speed of light remains unbroken as the ultimate speed limit for information. This paradox, that two particles can be instantaneously linked but no information can be sent faster than light, hints at the deep and wondrous boundary between the classical and quantum worlds. Think of it as a cosmic whisper, a secret encoded in the fabric of reality that invites us to ponder the limits of our understanding. Light speed marks the border between the tangible and the mysterious, between what we can send and receive, and what remains hidden in the dance of quantum possibility. In this quiet space between certainty and mystery, the universe feels alive with potential. It invites gentle curiosity, a sense of wonder tinged with humility, as we realize how much there still is to explore and understand. The speed of light, then, is both a limit and a guide. It preserves the order of cause and effect, while quantum whispers remind us that the universe holds secrets beyond the horizon of classical physics. This boundary between light's steadfast speed and quantum mystery forms a poetic tension, a dance of light and shadow, known and unknown, certainty and wonder. Imagine now the universe as a vast ocean of light, rippling with waves of energy and possibility, while beneath the surface, quantum currents flow unseen, mysterious and profound. In this ocean, light speed is the steady pulse, the rhythm that keeps the cosmic dance in harmony, while quantum whispers ripple beneath, inviting us to listen closely and dream. This delicate balance, between the solid, measurable speed of light and the elusive, instantaneous quantum connections, reflects the beauty and complexity of the cosmos. As you breathe slowly and deeply, let yourself rest in this balance. Feel the steady flow of light's eternal journey and the quiet hum of quantum mystery beneath. Both light speed and quantum whispers shape our universe, guiding our understanding, sparking our imagination, and deepening our sense of awe. Tonight, as you drift towards sleep, carry with you the wonder of this cosmic dance, the interplay of certainty and mystery, the gentle limits and the infinite possibilities. Let your mind float on these waves, serene and curious, wrapped in the gentle embrace of the universe's eternal light and quiet secrets. And as you settle deeper into rest, know that you are part of this grand, mysterious, beautiful cosmos. A universe where the speed of light guides the way, even as quantum whispers beckon us toward the unknown. As the night deepens and your thoughts drift softly, let us gently explore a realm where science meets imagination, where dreams brush against the edges of what we know. The idea of going beyond the speed of light. For centuries, the speed of light has stood as the universe's steadfast limit, a cosmic speed limit that shapes the very fabric of reality. Yet, in the quiet corners of physics, where theory and speculation mingle, scientists and dreamers have imagined possibilities that challenge this ultimate boundary. What if something or someone could travel faster than light? What strange worlds might lie beyond this cosmic speed limit? One such idea comes from the realm of hypothetical particles called tachyons. These elusive entities, if they exist, would always travel faster than light. But there's a catch. They would possess strange properties, such as imaginary mass, and would challenge our understanding of cause and effect. Though tachyons remain purely theoretical, they remind us that the universe might hold surprises beyond our current grasp. Then there are the fantastical concepts of warp drives and wormholes, ideas inspired both by science fiction and serious theoretical physics. Imagine a spaceship that doesn't move through space faster than light, but instead bends the fabric of spacetime itself, creating a shortcut or tunnel between distant points. This bending or folding of spacetime could allow travel between galaxies in moments, bypassing the speed limit entirely. Einstein's own theory of general relativity allows for such curvature of spacetime, and physicists have proposed models like the Alcubierre drive, which theoretically contracts space ahead of a ship and expands it behind, propelling it forward without breaking the cosmic speed limit locally. Yet, these concepts face enormous challenges, unimaginable energy requirements, unknown stability issues, and deep mysteries about the true nature of spacetime and causality. Here, at the boundary between known physics and speculative ideas, we find a delicate balance, a place of wonder, mystery, and hopeful curiosity. We might never build a warp drive or find tachyons, but simply imagining these possibilities expands our horizons, inviting us to dream beyond the limits we see. The speed of light, while firm and absolute in our current understanding, does not close the door on future discovery. Instead, it sets the stage for questions that inspire exploration and gentle awe. This boundary between the known and the unknown is a sacred space, a cosmic frontier where science and imagination meet, and where every new question opens doors to deeper understanding. As you rest now, let your mind wander among these possibilities, soft, dreamlike, and full of wonder. Picture stars not as distant points, but as gateways, perhaps someday reachable by paths yet unseen. Feel the quiet thrill of curiosity, a gentle pulse that drives humanity forward, ever seeking, ever learning, ever dreaming. Even as the universe holds fast to the speed of light as its limit, it invites us to imagine beyond, to wonder what might lie just beyond the horizon of today's knowledge. And so, as you sink deeper into peaceful sleep, carry with you this gentle invitation to dream, to wonder, and to rest in the comfort of mystery. For the universe is vast, and its secrets are many. Some will unfold with time and discovery. Others will remain beautiful enigmas, reminding us of the infinite dance between light and shadow, knowledge and wonder. Let your heart be light, your mind at ease, as you drift in this cosmic lullaby, safe in the knowledge that the speed of light guides the rhythm of existence, even as dreams of what lies beyond shimmer softly in the dark. As your breath deepens and your mind wanders gently through the quiet hours, let us return from the mysteries of the cosmos to the light that touches every moment of our daily lives. The speed of light, a silent companion both near and far. Though it travels at a staggering 299,792 kilometers per second, light's presence in our world feels intimate and immediate. The golden glow of morning sunlight filtering through leaves, the shimmer of a candle flame, the steady glow of a phone screen. All these are gifts carried to us by light racing across space. We often take light for granted, as if it simply exists without effort. Yet, every photon that reaches your eyes has journeyed across time and space, racing toward you at the universe's ultimate speed limit. This speed shapes everything we see and how we perceive time itself. Consider the way sunlight warms your skin. The sunlight you feel is actually sunlight from about 8 minutes ago. The time it takes for light to travel the 150 million kilometers from the sun to Earth. In that moment, the sun and Earth are separated by a cosmic delay, a reminder of the vastness of space and the steady pace of light. Our everyday technology also depends intimately on light speed. Fiber optic cables carry pulses of light that transmit information across continents in the blink of an eye. Global Positioning System satellites orbit overhead, sending signals at light speed that allow your phone to know exactly where you are. Even your very sense of time is shaped by light. GPS satellites account for relativistic effects, the slowing and speeding of time predicted by Einstein, because their signals travel at light speed through the fabric of spacetime. Without this correction, your phone's location would drift by kilometers every day. On a grander scale, the speed of light measures the vast distances of the cosmos in units called light years. The distance light travels in 1 year, nearly 10 trillion kilometers. When we gaze into the night sky, we are looking back in time, seeing stars as they were long ago. The light from the closest star beyond our sun, Proxima Centauri, takes over 4 years to reach us. The light from distant galaxies may take billions of years, traveling through expanding space, carrying stories from the universe's earliest moments. Each beam of starlight is a traveler across deep time, whispering tales of creation, of ancient explosions and slow dances of gravity. This cosmic light connects us intimately to the universe's history, folding time and space into one seamless experience. Reflect now on how light bridges the smallest moments of your life with the greatest scales of the cosmos. The same speed that delivers warmth to your hand also threads the fabric of galaxies. This unity, from the everyday to the eternal, is a comforting truth. We live within a universe bound by the speed of light, a universe where moments and distances are woven together by this constant thread. As you relax deeper, feel the gentle heartbeat of the cosmos pulsing through you. The slow, majestic rhythm of light traveling across space and time. Know that each breath you take, each quiet moment of rest, is part of this grand dance of energy and light. The speed of light is more than a number. It is the melody of the universe's lullaby, guiding our perception, our technology, and our dreams. It is the gentle pace at which the cosmos reveals itself to us, a rhythm that invites patience, wonder, and peace. Tonight, as you surrender to sleep, let the steady pulse of light's journey soothe your mind and cradle your soul. From the flicker of a candle to the glow of distant galaxies, light connects all things, a silent witness to the universe's endless story. And as your eyes close, imagine yourself wrapped in this warm, infinite glow, a light that travels through space and time, carrying you gently into dreams filled with cosmic wonder. As the night sky deepens, and the stars twinkle softly like distant lanterns scattered across a velvet tapestry. Let us come to rest in the gentle embrace of the universe. A vast, silent symphony where light travels endlessly, weaving a story of wonder and connection. Tonight, we have journeyed together, from the ancient dance of fire and stars, to the discovery that light is not instant but travels with a steady pace. We have felt the gentle flow of space-time, a cosmic ocean where light's speed shapes reality itself. We walked beside Einstein, whose quiet thoughts revealed the elegant truth that light speed is not just a number, but the rhythm that sets time and space in motion. We marveled at why nothing with mass can outrun light's swift journey, and how this cosmic speed limit preserves the order of cause and effect, the universe's very heartbeat. We whispered with the mysteries of quantum entanglement, touching the edges of what we know, and dreamt about what might lie beyond. Tachyons, warp drives, and wormholes shimmering on the horizon of human imagination. And finally, we returned home, feeling the presence of light not just in faraway galaxies, but in the gentle warmth of sunlight, the pulse of technology, and the quiet moments of our lives. Now, as you settle deeper into rest, imagine the countless beams of light streaming silently through the cosmos, traveling across space and time to reach your eyes, your skin, your heart. Each flicker of starlight you see tonight has journeyed for years, some for millions or billions of years, carrying messages from the distant past. The universe, vast and mysterious, reaches out to us through this soft, steady glow. Feel the vastness, the beauty, and the quiet order wrapped up in this light. A cosmic lullaby sung softly through the ages. Let it soothe your thoughts and calm your mind. Let the knowledge that you are part of this grand dance bring peace. You and the stars are connected by these silent travelers, light waves crossing the dark, bridging distances that are unimaginable and yet intimately close. As your breathing slows and your body relaxes, allow your mind to drift with these beams of light, gentle guides into a world of dreams and discovery. Remember, the speed of light is not just a cosmic speed limit. It is a reminder that the universe is ordered, beautiful, and full of wonder. It is a promise that even in the vast darkness, there is connection, communication, and light. And as you drift deeper into sleep, know that this light surrounds you, embraces you, and carries you safely on its endless journey. Before we part tonight, if this gentle journey has touched you, I invite you to subscribe to The Thoughtful Night, where quiet curiosity meets calming wonder. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Where are you watching from? What moments of wonder have stayed with you? Your presence here is part of this beautiful community, a circle of souls who find peace in science, stories, and the soft glow of curiosity.